In 2008, the world was on the brink of a financial crisis. The housing market, which had been on a steady rise for years, suddenly came crashing down. But one man saw it coming. Michael Burry, a hedge fund manager, had been studying the housing market for years. He noticed something that no one else did. He noticed that the market was built on a foundation of risky mortgages. These subprime mortgages were given out to people with poor credit and little income, with the assumption that housing prices would continue to rise, allowing them to refinance before the adjustable rate kicked in. Burry realized that these risky mortgages were being bundled and sold as securities to investors who were unaware of the risks. He knew that this was a recipe for disaster. He saw the potential for a housing bubble to burst, and with it, the potential for a financial crisis. Burry took action, betting against the housing market by purchasing credit defaults. He was ridiculed by his peers and faced a lot of resistance from the banks, but he was ultimately proven right. His analysis and insight allowed him to profit from the crash, earning him and his investors over $700 million. When the housing market crashed, Burry's bet paid off. He had successfully predicted the financial crisis and made a fortune from it. Burry's story is a cautionary tale of the dangers of risky mortgages and the importance of due diligence in investing. He was able to see the dangers of the market and acted on it, while others were blindsided by the crash. It's also a reminder that sometimes, the greatest successes come from thinking differently. In conclusion, Michael Burry's story is a remarkable example of how one individual's insight and determination can lead to success, even in the face of a crisis. His ability to predict the 2008 housing market crash is a testament to the power of due diligence and independent thinking. We hope that this essay has inspired you to think differently and to always be on the lookout for opportunities, even in the darkest of times.